So hello
Hello,
friends,
sir.
welcome back to our second session and some of our friends have not got the chance yet, but they are absent now. So Mr. Suresh, would you like to talk about the topic? You did not get the chance in the first session.
Hello,
Yeah,
sir. Good afternoon, sir.
yeah, very good afternoon.
Sir, on which topic, sir?
Advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone.
Okay, okay. Hello.
Yeah,
If I talk about the advantage of mobile, then there are many types of advantage of mobile. Then we can talk with our friends and hello.
yeah,
We can talk with our friends and we get information about each and every part of the world, and yeah, we can do shoppings and banking through the mobile, and uh, you can do chatting and you may use many apps on mobile. Then it is a in short, if I say that it is the box of knowledge, it is a box of knowledge, and you can get any solution of any problem. That's it is a wonderful and amazing invention of science, that uh, if you use uh, systematically, then it is a boon for you. Thank you, sir.
okay. Thank you very much for sharing your ideas here. And okay, the friends who has not get the chance, they are not here on the screen. So how can I invite them? Okay, one thing I want to announce today, just share me your ideas, okay? It's a discussion. Okay, I am planning to arrange the storytelling competition. Okay, I am planning to arrange a storytelling competition. Just send me your all stories, record it. You can send me on email or you can also send me on my WhatsApp number and you will get the rank. And I will also upload your stories on YouTube, on my account, on my channel. But the first person who will get the first 5 rank, I will give the opportunity to talk with personally. Like I will make a video man to man like the Camly conversation for 10 minutes. Is it clear?
Oh, that's a great, sir.
So
Okay,
what are your
it's okay.
opinions for that?
Yes, sir.
Nikish Sharma, what would you think? What do you think about that?
Yes, sir. If I share my point of view, it would be the better idea to share our story to others also.
Yes. And
Because
story.
nowadays, if I talk about myself, I am doing CA course. Okay, sir. So in my life, I am facing lots of things. As I think all of are facing the struggle in their life, same like me also. But after that, we are going to unpolished to polish. That's the things we want.
Okay. And I have decided topic. I have decided a topic for story. Why did you decide it? Why did you decide to learn English? Please turn off your audio. Topic for the story. I have decided. Why did you decide to learn English? How did you start? And what did you do to learn English? And now what do you do to improve your English skill? So this is the topic for your story. Is it interesting?
Yes, sir.
And you have maximum 3 minutes time. Okay, you have to conclude your story in 3 minutes. Don't make a long story, otherwise it will be very no. It will be big that you cannot share with me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Winky, what do you think about my next plan?
Yeah, it's absolutely perfect, sir. Whatever said is absolutely perfect.
Okay.
You
So
you saying about a
story. I have given the topic of the story. First is why did you decide to learn English? You have to cover these all points to tell your story. Okay. Then how did you start learning English and what did you do? Then now what do you do to improve your English? So these are the points, and use these all points and make a nice story and send to me through email or through WhatsApp, whatever you can use it. Then I will give the rank first, second, third, and fifth. Then I will share, I will upload the stories on YouTube on my channel. And again, I will give you the chance to talk with you man to man for 10 minutes. Only two people will talk. Like the Cambly,
okay,
same
okay.
to
The
same.
person who got first.
Yes, I will
To talk.
decide. Yes, first, second, third, and fourth. Five people will get the chance.
Can you repeat the topic again, sir?
Okay. Why did you decide to learn English? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then how did you start? And what did you do?
Okay, sir.
Yes, what did you do? Then what did you study? Now at present, what do you do to improve your English? Topic is interesting.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's interesting.
Okay. So we are only 6 people, and now I have one more topic, and which one is more interesting? It is about your life. Okay. Which skills do you want to improve? Which skills do you want to improve now? How and why? Can you understand my point? I'm talking
Yes,
about
sir.
you.
Yes,
You have
sir.
to share
I got the
about,
point.
yeah, okay. So which skills do you want to improve now? How and why? Is it clear? So you have 30-40 seconds to think on this topic and start talking.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I want to start the first.
Okay, Sonu
May
is
I?
really enthusiastic and energetic person. Okay, Sonu.
Okay, sir. So basically, sir, I'm doing my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering stream. So and currently I'm in the third year. So the skill which I want to develop first is the communication skill, because it will help me a lot in facing the interviews, in interacting with the interviewers, in interacting with the my friends, in interacting when I will be in the corporate world or when I will be doing the job. Then it will help me a lot in that sector. And so first I would like to improve my communication skill. Yeah. And because I'm in the third year, and next year I will be in the final year. So after that, I'm going to apply for various jobs, like in IT sector as well as in the government sector. So in the IT sector, they conduct 3 phases: first programming, then I think GDPD. So in that round, communication skill is must. So that's why I want to improve my communication skill, and it will help me a lot in my career to achieve my goal. Thank you, sir.
Okay, and Sonu, what are you doing to improve your communication skill now?
Okay. So generally, sir, because sir, I have many subjects to cover. So whenever I'm free, in my free time, I usually go through the English news blogs, as well as in my free time, I watch your videos. When you interact with the native speaker, foreign speakers, and also I watch the English news, which I do in my free time. And whenever I get some extra time, then I call one of my friend we talk in English. We do conversation over the phone in English, so that I can improve my communication skill. I
So,
can get more fluency in English.
So you
So
have
these are the things which I usually do to improve my
you have started
communication
with
skills.
this type of stuff to improve your English and your communication skill. Very good, super. So you have a plan. You know, some people have a dream,
Yes, sir. Yes.
but see, you know, only few people start doing that. Some people have only only dream. They never do anything. So my dream is to talk on the TED Talk. You know, I want to perform on the TED Talks. That's why I have started learning books of Dale Carnegie. I have also started online course with W.J. Walker. So these are my steps to improve my skill. So now Vicky Sharma, same question.
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to tell you, sir. Actually, I have been watching your Camly conversation videos with native speaker more than 1 month. So it's this video really helped to me to improve my communication skills and to get fluency. After that, so for if you asking to me to how to get how I am getting fluence, how to get I am fluencing on daily basis. Nowadays, I am practicing every day to improve my communication skill by watching the Camly conversation, uh, and sometimes I spending my time to talk with my friend to in English in video calling so that I can improve better. And if I talk about your video, sir, your video it's really helped to me to improve my communication skills so that I can talk nowadays very easily. If I talk about the before, when I can't talk to any person, when someone asks to me, "Hi Vicky, how are you?" That time I know the English, but I can't express my point of view to others. That's the problem. But after watching your video, it can. What should I tell? It's really helped to me to improve my communication skills so that nowadays I am practicing on daily basis to improve my communication skills. And sir, I want to ask you and I want to know your point of view, how to get fluency so that I can speak better.
Okay, so very simple and very important questions. This is the platform. Okay, you want to get the
Yes,
fluency means you want to speak any language without any hesitation. You want to speak that
yes, sir.
language with the confidence. Then language has a very simple funda. Listen, the more you listen, the better you can speak. But some people have fear of making mistakes. So I always advise them, just think about your childhood when you were the 1 year and 2 years old. How did you learn your mother tongue? While learning your mother tongue, you made a lot of mistakes. But after making mistakes, someone corrected you. And without learning any grammatical rules and without preparing any vocabulary book, you were able to speak your mother tongue in only 2 or 3 years. So just use this one and don't worry about making mistakes. Just keep practicing, keep practicing. English speaking is very easy. So this is called the fluency of English. Okay. So
Okay,
now,
sir. Thank you for your valuable advice.
okay. So Venkatesh, now I want to come to you.
So, sir, I want to become a public speaker, sir, just like you,
Thank you.
because you have lot of knowledge, you have a lot of thoughts in your mind. But if you have no confidence to share your feelings with someone, so people cannot recognize your talent. So to show your talent to world, you have to express the feelings of the feelings of the feelings in your inner, and also the things what is going on in your mind. So that is the main important. So to do that, you have to be a good speaker. So many good speakers are there who in the world. For example, Martin Luther King, he said always, I have one dream. So with that word, he changed, sir. So according to my state, I belong to Telangana. Here is a popular leader. His name is KCR. He is also my chief minister now. So he has good command on the language. You know what he's speaking, how to use words for the people. So according to me, words are like bullets, sir. If you use if you aim it correct and if you trigger it, you can, everybody will attack. So, and also one of the greatest writer and director also there in my language. His name is Trivikram Srinivas. So while I'm watching his movies, I would like to get a lot of things from his movies. Not only entertainment, but also very emotionally. We can able to connect emotionally with the content. What is the reflex of? We reflects on the movies. So many fans are there for Trivikram Srinivas and also Mr. KCR, who is the Chief Minister of our Telangana. So he is very dynamic fellow. He has a very pale and lean personality, but there is no relationship. There is no comparison with his tongue power and also his physics. So no need to people no need to have good personality. No need to have good color and personality. Everything else. You need, if you have a good talent to speak, express yourself to yourself to world will recognize you. So if you want to express your talent, if you want to show your talent to world, you have to be a good speaker. So that's why I want to be a good speaker. So that's it, sir. To improve the to improve the speaking skills, we have to mimic the people like you. So you have to set one goal. You have to choose a person who is speaking perfectly, who is using his words like bullets. You have to pick some words from him, and also you better to spend your maximum time in front of the books. Many normal people would like to spend their maximum time in front of the mobile, in front of the laptop and some other things. But only rich people, only good people who are already established with their name in the society would like to spend their maximum time in front of the book. So my suggestions to everybody. In fact, I am not fond of books. I would like to read a biography, successful person's biography, especially film personalities. I would. So if you spend your maximum time in front of the books, definitely you can say you can see wonderful results to become a speaker. And also by listening people like you, by spending your maximum time with people who are good in speaking, so you can able to get some things from the people and you can apply somewhere else. So my point of view, words are like bullets, sir. If you use if you aim it and if you trigger it, people would attract you and people would like to spend their time with you.
Wonderful,
Not
wonderful,
manner,
wonderful. Venkat, wonderful thoughts you have, and I want to support your one thought. If you want to be a great public speaker, your appearance doesn't matter. Let me give you the example of Abraham Lincoln.
Sir, of course.
He did not have attractive appearance, but he was marvelous, amazing public speaker. So
Absolutely.
that is your ability, that is your skill. That's why I have chosen that topic. Which skill do you want to improve? Why and how? And what are you doing nowadays to improve? Because that is your identity. Your appearance is not your identity. Your personality, your skill is the identity. How we remember Sachin Tendulkar, how we remember APJ Abdul Kalam, because of that skill, not the appearance. Okay, so spend your time, spend your energy, spend your ideas to make your personality better and make yourself skillful, so people will respect you, people give you honor, and that is the truth. Okay, and today also I'm very happy because I just created this platform and I'm spending my lot of time for this platform. But today I'm so lucky, so happy, because today I think that it's a fruitful, my efforts are fruitful, because I created this platform to sharing ideas, not teaching and learning, just sharing ideas, because the God has given us only one brain. But if you get some ideas from other, you can be more powerful person. So it's going on in this platform. So I'm so happy today. So let's go. Anybody wants to? Mr. Suresh would like to say? Then who is Naina? Naina then Pankaj Ambe. Okay, we are only 7 or 8, so everybody will get chance, enough chance. Hello, Mr. Suresh, are you ready to talk about your skill? Which skill do you want to improve? Hello, Mr. Suresh. Okay, he's not available now. Naina? Hello? Hello, is there any problem there? We have limited time. So if you are there, just tell. Just start speaking about your skill. Which skill do you want to improve? Okay, no. Then Pankaj Ambe.
Yes. So first of all, say I want to learn different. I like to learn different type of language. And nowadays, English is a very important language to learn, because if you want to go everywhere, the English language is very necessary for everyone. In corporate sector, in every sector. Uh, and nowadays, I want to improve my English language. uh, and nowadays I am watching YouTube and how to communicate, uh, uh, communicate the other people, and how to speak, and uh, in in express the new thoughts. And I like that.
Okay, Pankaj Ambe. Now, Biki Sharma has already completed. Okay, Ratesh. Now this is your turn, Ratesh.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, sir, like to be honest, like I am currently working in a like pharmaceutical company for like 3.5 years now. So, in that context, like I would like to change that company and go to abroad so that I be able to, grab some nice job in there. So, in order to do that, I need to improve my communication skills because I believe it is quite necessary to work in a different country. So we have to possess some sort of communication skills. So I'm currently planning to work on that, and on a daily basis, I like to read different kinds of articles and try to speak as much I could. So thanks to you a lot. I would like to again thank you for providing such a great platform for people like us to communicate and enhance our skills and take it to a different platform. So this is a particular skills like which I am currently working on. Although my writing is quite fine, but I am working on a communication skills, and listening is also good. So yeah, communication skills. Yes.
Okay, so you want to improve your communication skill, and I want to ask you, what do you do now to improve your communication skill?
Sir, in order to improve my communication skills, I like to listen to BBC Radio, which is an application which I try to listen their radio as much I could, like for 1 hour on a daily basis. It really somehow helped me to communicate in a better way. Like I was not able to communicate in a proper manner. Now I think my fluency is getting better day by day, so it really helped me a lot. And also whatever topic I read, I like to write it in my own words, so that I be able to grab some sort of information like what I have read, and whether I be able to learn something from it or not. So that also helped me in that particular skill. Yeah, sir.
Okay, perfect. So you are doing something to improve. Very nice. So keep it up,
Yeah.
okay? Keep it up. Definitely
Thank
you
you.
will get
Thank you,
result
sir.
very soon. Okay, now
Thank
Naina.
you, sir.
Naina, who is Naina here? Please,
Yes,
it's your
sir.
turn. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah,
So
hello.
actually, I am new, sir. So I want only listen, sir. I can't speak English fluently.
It's okay, no problem. No problem, okay? Thank you very much for,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, okay. Can you speak 2 or 3 sentences about you and your state?
So I'm Nana from Jharkhand,
Okay,
Hazaribagh, Jharkhand.
okay. And why do you want
Yes,
to
sir.
learn English?
So actually,
Don't be shy, okay? Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Whatever you want to think, just speak, okay? We all are learners
yes,
here.
sir.
No one is expert, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, but actually, I want to only listen today, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. Now,
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now, who has not? Mr. Suresh?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Sir, I would like to improve my communication skill. Basically, I can talk very well in Hindi, but if I talk especially about English, that I have not so good skills in English. Uh, Basically, I am a teacher in the private school, so I always think that if I have a good skills of English, speaking English, then it will be very good for me, and it will be get a fruitful result for me. Then I always try to watch your video and many videos of communication skills on the YouTube. So I think that this skill is very important for everyone if he want to get a proper result in his life. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so now we have 10 minutes left, and I have already told you about the storytelling and topics you have also written. So let's practice that topic today. So why did you decide to learn English? My first topic is we are practicing of our storytelling, okay? So you will get more ideas, and our viewers also will get more ideas how to talk about this topic. So anybody wants to say why did you decide to learn English? Okay, yeah. Vicky Sharma, then Sonu Mandal. Why did you decide to learn English?
Shall I take my turn, sir?
Vicky Sharma, then Sonu Mandal. Vicky Sharma, do you want to speak about this? Why did you decide to learn English? What happened in your life and you started learning English seriously and you are now in this platform? We have only 8 minutes left, so try to save over time. Now Sonu Mandal then.
Hello, shall I take my turn, sir?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, carry on. No one is
Hello,
speaking
sir. Are you
now.
hearing?
Yeah,
Few years ago, when I used to study in my school, there is a teacher whose name is Yusufuddin. While I'm studying in that school, he used to uh, teach us in a lovable mode. So he would like to uh, interact with the students with love and affection. He never used to beat anybody. the main reason I fascinated to him, and also I want to become like this. So because of the reason, I started learning English, and also in my school days, every math teacher is very strict. He would like to beat, he would like to slap, he would like to give many punishments. So uh, I afraid of maths. So gradually, I became afraid of maths. But every English teacher would like to teach in a lovable mode, in a uh, uh, behaving a with children in good manner. So that is attracted to and fascinated to English language. And if you want to communicate with anybody in the world, there is a one way, that is English. Also, hearing me?
Okay, yes, 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 very good. Okay. So
There is only one way, that is English.
because of that reason, you started
So
learning English.
yes, sir, of course. And also, while I'm teaching in my college, I would share to every people, like my students, don't afraid of language. This is also one of the language, like we speaking our mother tongue Telugu. So
Yeah.
don't afraid of the language. Just treat this language like your girlfriend. Then only you can feel comfortable and you can learn easily. Don't treat this like a devil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So treat this like your girlfriend, like your best friend.
Best friend. Good.
So spend maximum time. If you see a boyfriend and girlfriend, he would like to spend his maximum time with the girl. So spend your maximum time. At the same maximum,
uh, yeah, yeah,
then
yeah.
only you can get fluency in the short time.
Okay, okay. Venkatas has so many
So
creative ideas to speak. Okay, so many creative ideas. Okay, so I think you definitely are very successful teacher in your school and must be very lovable.
many people are influenced me, especially my English teachers, who are very lovable and show their love and affection towards me. So that is the main reason I became like this. And today I'm talking in front of you because of their love and affection and the way of their teaching to children.
Okay, thank you. Now Sonu Mandal. Now this is your turn, and Ratesh be ready. Then Mr. Suresh. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
just finish this topics in only 1 minute. Okay, don't try to
Okay,
elaborate.
sir. Okay, sir. No problem. No problems. So basically, when I was in my ninth standard, so I am from a Hindi medium school. So our teacher, our English teacher, so uh, he used to teach us English in a fantastic manner. But you know what is the condition of a Hindi medium school? The environment is totally different from a English medium school. So generally we use Hindi language to do conversation with our friends. So but in sometimes in classes, my English teacher, so he used to talk with us in English in a wonderful manner, and his English was very fantastic. So I was very influenced by him. So and he also used to encourage us. Our Hindi teacher also used to encourage us to speak in English. And our Hindi teacher, she also, her name is JK ma'am. She also used to take classes of English. He used to teach Hindi, but in free time she used to teach English in free time. So she encouraged us to that you can improve your communication skill. This will help a lot in your future. And whenever I see them, they were means they generally talk in English. They two teachers, they generally talk do conversation in English. So I was very influenced by him. So at that time I decided that one day I will definitely speak as like my teachers. So from then I
Okay.
started
So that
learning
was
English.
influence on you. Okay, it was an influence on
Yes, sir.
your life. Very nice. Ratesh now.
Hello.
Yeah, Ratesh. Try to
So,
finish in 1 minute.
sir,
Okay.
yeah, okay. Sir, the reason behind why I am into this English, because since I started this job, I thought that it is really essential in order to sustain in this particular area. So from that onwards, I am focused towards to improve my communication skills. And that I believe it really would help me in order to get a better opportunity. So I think this is a need of an hour to for everybody to learn this particular language, so that it really opens the door for our future and really provides us an quite a good opportunity, which really helps to sustain our future. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Superb. Inspiration. Okay. Now, Mr. Suresh, at last, you have 2 minutes, Mr. Suresh. Hello, Mr. Suresh.
Hello.
Yes, we have enough time. You have enough time. Okay. You have 2 minutes to talk about that topic.
Sir, please tell me topic again, sir. Sir, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Why did you decide to learn English seriously?
Sir, basically, I am learning English from 6th class. But if I talk honestly, that when I was in a 12th class, I got a chance to go in a 5-star hotel in Jaipur. Rajputana Sheraton. When you can say. Sir, sorry, sir. I'm missing some word.
No problem, no problem.
Sir, when waiter came to me and he showed me the menu of the hotel. He said to me in English that what would you like to eat? Then I was unable to understand English, and I was unable to speak in front of him. So that time I was feeling so nervous. Then I have decided at that time that if you want to, if you write English, and if you have if you have many knowledge of English, but if you have not good communication of skills, you can't. You have money, but you can't eat. You can take food in 5-star hotel. You have money also in your pocket, but if you have not the knowledge of English, you can't speak with the waiter, and you can't eat food in that hotel. Sir, honestly, I am saying, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much, Suresh. Mr. Suresh, you have shared your incident. Why did you decide